Hello everyone, welcome to a vlog. So it's 23rd of August, I believe. Yes, it's 23rd of August and it's Saturday, the weekend, and I have, like, both me and my husband has worked till 3 a.m. in the morning, and then we were not able to sleep, and now it's 7 a.m. and husband has gone out to give his bike for servicing, and it's Tees weekend also, so I was saying that it's Tees weekend in a way, because today is 23rd and on 26th we will be celebrating Teej, and we are on 5 day off, so it's long super long weekend, and we will be resuming our work from 28th of August till 27th, till Ganesh Chaturthi we are on off. So this vlog will be mainly focused on Teej. Like last year also I vlogged on Teej, but that was not that vlog was not planned and all. This is also not planned. Like randomly I took out the camera and I started filming. And so agenda for today, the Saturday, is to go to the DMart and do the shopping, mainly focused on Teej. Around 7:30 in the morning, and DMart will open from 8. So we are waiting till DMart opens, and till by that time husband will also be back from the service center. All set for the DMart, and isse zyada I cannot get ready for the DMart. Considering the fact that I have not slept the entire night, I think I'm looking pretty decent. From DMart. पूजा का सामान has been kept separately near the पूजा place, और बाकी जो grocery item है वो अब I am going to organize in the kitchen.
मिलेगा पोस्टर, फिकर मत कीजिए नट्टू काका, जरूर मिलेगा पोस्टर, मिल जाएगा नफा.
हे नाथ, यदि आप मुझ पर प्रसन्न हो तो यह विधान बताइए, हे प्रभु, किस तप, व्रत या दान से आदि मध्य और अंत रहित शुक्ल पक्ष की तृतीया तिथि को उसका अनुष्ठान मात्र करने से स्त्रियां सब पापों से मुक्त हो जाती हैं। हे देव,
Finally, it's the Tees day, and as you can see that I am done with my puja, and it's around 4 p.m. and usually I do puja around 2 to 3 p.m. because my husband also does not eat anything till the puja is done, and this time his brother is also visiting us, so he has also not eaten anything. So I thought it will be more wise to do puja little bit early. Usually people do this Tej puja in evening. So that I told you guys that this vlog will be focused on Tej, but last few days, like last 2 days, I was so busy that I was not able to vlog anything. So I have like taken few clips here and there. I will club them all together, and I hope that you all will enjoy watching this vlog. And three of us were playing Uno, like we have played more than 10-20 rounds of Uno by now. And yeah, one more thing कि तीज की रात को सोया भी नहीं जाता है. Last year also I didn't sleep at night on the Tees night, and this year also I will not be sleeping. And yeah, in morning I will be breaking my fast before sunrise. So that is there. Husband will be cooking food for me. That is also there. And also happy Tees and happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you who all are watching. I know I don't have much audience, but still whoever is watching, happy Tees and happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. Husband is already up. He is like cooking at 4 a.m. in the morning. I am going to bath, then I will do the puja. That will take another like 1 hour to 1.5 hours, and post that I will be done, and then I will break my fast.